और सारे के सारे जिंदगी गुलजार हैं फैंस. You guys are living the life. Like you guys are truly being served so well right now. Because Fawad Khan and Sanam Saeed have come back for a show, and what a show it is. तो यार तुम जैसी किस्मत ना सबकी होनी चाहिए. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Barzakh. Barzakh काफ़ी खूबसूरत वर्ड है. इन द शो इट काइंड ऑफ रिफर्स टू अ लिम्बो लैंड, बट आई थिंक इट्स मच मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बरज़ाक एक सेपरेशन भी हो सकता है, एक बैरियर हो सकता है बिटवीन टू वर्ल्ड्स इन अ वे, और वो काइंड ऑफ ऐसा एक थीम भी है इस शो का. एंड इफ यूर अ जिंदगी गुलजार है फैन और तुम खुश हो बरज़ाक के आने से, दिस शो विल मेक यू एनीथिंग बट हैप्पी बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट हाउ डिस्ट्रेसिंग इट इज, बट दैट इज टू बी एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम द क्रिएटर्स इटसेल्फ. बरज़ाक एक ऐसी कहानी है विच यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ सिट विथ. आप ये शो अगर एक सीटिंग में देखोगे, ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो सकता है विच यू माइट मिस. सो मे बी टेक सम टाइम आउट, वॉच द शो, रिवाइंड अ बिट, अंडरस्टैंड द शो. बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करती है ये शो आपसे भी. वन मैन जफार खानजादा इज नाउ इन हिज लेट 70s और उन्होंने एक न्योता दिया है सबको उनकी तीसरी शादी का, और वो कहते हैं फाइनल शादी का. एंड दिस वेडिंग इज हैपनिंग टू द वुमन दैट ही हैज लव्ड हिज एंटायर लाइफ. वो इनसे इतना प्यार करते थे कि और कोई अफेक्शन बचा ही नहीं था उनके पास जिंदगी में किसी और को देने को, विच इज वाई अ लॉट ऑफ हिज अदर रिलेशनशिप्स आर काइंड ऑफ फिल्ड विथ रिजेंटमेंट एंड टॉक्सिसिटी. He lives in his massive bungalow in the land of nowhere with a woman called Scheherazada, who is played by Sanam Saeed. Scheherazada का origin के बारे में हमें ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है. She is apparently a lost daughter, but she seems to genuinely care about this person and is also one of the most interesting characters in this show. This invitation has also gone to his two sons, Saifullah played by Fawad M. Khan and Shahryar played by Fawad A. Khan. दो फवाद खान. What a world we are living in. Both of these sons have a very strained relationship with their father, but they show up. Shahryar shows up with his very young son Haris. जो सैफुल्ला का कैरेक्टर है, has his entire life been a caretaker, and his life's journey or his life's pressures and struggles are somehow mirrored in Shahryar's wife's journey. And this is just one of the examples in how beautifully this show has kind of written its many themes and arcs. जो एक मेन थीम है of generational trauma and toxicity and generational abuse that is very very evident from the get-go, but there is actually so much more in the show that is just there to look forward to. In fact, while watching Barzakh, I was thinking of The Little Prince. I don't know if it's a direct ode, but if it is, it's a very, very good one. For instance, Khanzada, or Aka as they call him, is that kind of lone king who is literally holding people's ancestors hostage. So, unki jo life ka lost love hai, it's not just affecting his family, it's affecting everyone around him. It's like this venom that's just spreading throughout the land, and that's also a very interesting motif that we see throughout the show. ऐसे बहुत सारे themes and motifs हैं show में. A lot of them are pretty evident. A lot of them you have to kind of look into, but all of them are very very effective, especially because of the absolutely stunning cinematography and even the production design. Arij Hashmi's excellent production design is one of the major reasons why Barzakh is the show that it is. क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा show है जहाँ पे आपको world building में actually invest होना पड़ेगा to enjoy the show, because otherwise it can get a little exhausting, and I'll tell you why later. But there's one scene, one specific scene which just will explain everything that I'm saying of how technically beautiful this show is, how mesmerizing and arresting its frames are. There is the part where three men, the father and the two sons, are lying down in an almost Triskelion, almost like they are all emerging from a common center. और ये जो एक image hai has just been captured so beautifully by three things: the camera, the writing and the production design. तो यही देख के आपको पता चलता है कि this is a show that is truly mounted to be perfect. However, Asim Abbasi's show is not perfect. कुछ ऐसे sequences हैं which just kind of go on for very long. Sometimes people speak in this flowery, very slow language that can feel a little exhausting, especially in the longer sequences. कहीं पे show थोड़ा सा repetitive भी हो जाता है, and I feel like this is because the show is very self-indulgent, which does not translate well for the audience. Sure, the imagery of the show is stunning, but when it feels tiresome to watch something, sometimes you might want to push back a little bit. But I would suggest that you stay with the show despite its little drawbacks, because trust me, the payback is there. अब्बासी को अपने कैरेक्टर्स की एक समझ है, और ये सब के सब बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर्स हैं. ऑल ऑफ देम हैव वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आर्क्स एज वेल, सो दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज वेरी नेसेसरी. क्योंकि अगर उन्हें ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होती तो हमें भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. द वन थिंग आई डू लाइक इज द डायरेक्टर इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग ऑफ. समटाइम्स यू जस्ट काइंड ऑफ हैव टू थिंक. And that is why this one theme where we see these three men, the father and the two sons, connected basically by death, but in very different ways, plays out so beautifully across the script. script. Honestly, one of my favorite kind of themes that the show is exploring. If you're considering performances, Sanam Saeed is absolutely phenomenal, one of the strongest performers in the cast, and that is saying something because every actor is so good in this. हर actor ने अपना character इतनी अच्छी तरीके से play किया है कि it's very tough to pick a favorite. But अगर हम arc की बात करें, then my favorite story arc, and this could obviously be very subjective, was Saifullah's arc. जिस तरीके से फवाद एम खान ने सैफुल्ला का कैरेक्टर समझा है इज जस्ट अगेन ऑलमोस्ट हार्ट ब्रेकिंग, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही एक ट्रैजिक कैरेक्टर है. व्हेन यू सी द वे हिज लाइफ इज काइंड ऑफ टर्न्ड आउट, द वे ही डील्स विथ हिज ओन आइडेंटिटी while also dealing with the pressures that came from having to be a caretaker this entire while, it has taken a toll on him, and that toll is evident throughout the show, and especially in the very minute details in the performance. And then at the head of it all is Khanzada, played by Salman Shahid, and played beautifully well. ये एक ऐसा character है who is losing control over his body because he's aging. He's lost control over his mind but is not willing to accept that. He realizes that he's lost the person he ever truly loved, and also knows that the people around him don't like him a lot. पर ये सब जो mix है of creating this character, it would have been a very tough role to play, but he has managed it, again like I said, absolutely brilliantly. Barzakh has almost 3 different distinct languages, and it's about, say, how the men are reacting to their lives, how the women are reacting to their lives, and how the children are reacting. And each language is so distinct and so well understood कि आपको ये show में देख के भी पूरी तरह से समझ में आ जाएगा कि wow, this is a show that has actually put effort into its writing, and that's very rare. To be fair, show इतना लंबा है that it can get very exhausting to watch. I would suggest maybe take breaks. Despite the flaws, despite the kind of exhaustion that might creep in, sit with the show. Sit with the feelings that it brings out of you, because ये ऐसा एक show है which reminds you that this is what art looks like. Because Barzakh a lot of the time looks like a theatre production that has come alive on screen, and honestly, I mean that in the best way possible, and that is why my rating for Barzakh is 3.5 stars out of 5.